know where we started.
Etiano ye koma na chese Priscilla Oche ebo mo de ne di of game amoko akako bo tia Atalanta FC na jezo mu free Togo ene baba be rama ye djuma no after no no odi message say ene mo Ghana fo nyina se support no be nya so mo be nya na abo mama ne makwe di amomo.
To all Ghanaians, they should keep on supporting us. They help us through coming here, and their support is the reason why we are here. So we still need their support. We are here not only for the name of Ampemdakwa, but we're also here as Ghanaians representing the country. So they should support us in prayers and also keep supporting us. And I know that tomorrow we are not going to let them down. We're going to win.
Atiano ye koma ne Priscilla Oche ebo mo de DJ Queen bia so no ene omo ko akako ye djuma no na aboa na ne ma de da ye pretty me da mo after no ni coach your friend Joe Nana Dakwa eso kan si so se Queen bia so omo be show mo na qualification aba be ampem da ko ade.
Our first match was tough. We won. The second match was very, very tough. Very lucky. We didn't concede. We drew with the Nigerians. So we are waiting for the next match against Togo, which we all know that we are going to beat them and get into the semi-finals. So we have to win at all so that we can get to the semi-finals. So we are going to beat the Togolese and go to semi-finals.
Atiano ya command ne coach DJ Quembia so mbehye ewram the semi final after no say already ni mu pa bibia de dadia trophy no omo de beba be ram Ghana.
We need to have the team, so everything is on course. We all know that they are waiting for the trophy. Rest assured, we are going to be there. Any team who join us in the finals and take their trophy back home.
Atiano ya command ne Joe Nana Dakwa coach edema na chese ampem Dakwa ladies ababa ontiri ababa betudwa kwembia so mo de trophy ni beba ababe ram na aboa my bibia atida ye kama peda mo rezanze last year wafu zombie no hazakes ladies e kokoko ye djuma no no na division 1 super cup ne ko ere premier na third place match no FC Samates na chese o join Sompa TV oba enjoy matches ne kakra na wa usere niema isietie FC Samates e sheba ko e matamale city e sheba ko eye 1-1 no ene de penalties ne hyehyɛ so penalties na 4-2 eboa ema FC Samates nso no etimi atoso miensa niema ekoye pedema mo no ani gisem ne se omo play omo sign for kra from Martin Folk Abrantie friend Frederick and Sabotwi Fab ekokoko ramo okwe no miti ni teammate no ene omo didi nkoma ema omo ka chenze waba ye mo akwaba yegirize adwuma na aba bebo na hyase ne ha na yenyine bewuram ni aboa ni aka bom ni abo adwuma na ma niema deda ye pa edi amom nti Frederick and Sabotwi ena no unse hyehye no ehye ye pa ede ma no ne Richie Bedu ena Filari Smiler izanzo girize oni omo a ena na ye adwuma ate folk nso no omaso ye the final game no enso ekoso Liberty Professional the Scientific Soccer Class ebo de chinsu atreman ebo meka ba ko mo entimiante Sido Fasante erenya the only goal no on the 34th minute na sa goal no Ewurama ne Super Cup no 2022-2023 another Division 1 Super Cup 2022 no ene no tima ye from Liberty Professional the Scientific Soccer Class eno mako akwakoji anema ekoye pa etimi arma na the top 6 no ye didi dia no so nkomodi anra semi final matches no etimi ekoso na first game ne todwa no Bechem United ebo miensa ema midiema enso etimi etimu no na e game na no edin ye papa wesere ne mesi ye ko ye na ye se no match we wanya bia hwa na wayo ho izanze two teams ni ma ye game na no edin after no and a semi final match no Bekum Chelsea shebako ema Great Olympics nso etimi shebako penalties no ene 7-8 na Chelsea Olympics for no akonkodi akomani nyambo anko chena era was a final ni todwa ente ya metete ne nkomo no bebi ane na nenam no Chelsea final no enya de so chuno betimi aboni na say the Black Galaxy say jina kono makeda choso cha live commentary no eberum Sompa 93.1 etimi edi amount na hon community no yese anhwa third and fourth no ana third place match no eberum Jordan na final no so erum Jordan tie no G6 na top 6 no hon koma ye di erum so no etimi era mana no akrobia kuma se Asante Kotoko na ameze yetimi kokodi sese be omudemia na ano edin preba na wie na El Hilal abomeka no mako enum ene krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko matches mienu omoboy no part 1 no mobo mu 2 era afi part 2 no yabo mu num 2 kikaboma na chese nso omanche go ba kokra na minim ze embela mo ni fege mo na anye wi na abananka yewese mokwala ebe kinya no kakra ba dem ze nrade amfa kanum die na no edempa na match no nkomo no yenya ne tie se first match no o chekiska Hilal fo ni nya ya omunya $29,400 area for the first match no nipa dodo e baba behwe the second game no eno so omunya $16,000 enti okikaboma omunya $45,400 eti no e de roma na eboa amane makoye pa etimi e de emomo na omoboa bo chiro ni Simba e de bebo ni David Obinya ko era ne okase de momo ye bisa David says our friend match si omo kokobo ye e so mfa so ne ho nkomo na nkasa e se na esi etie obomodi ane otimi edi tudwa eboa ma hihye no ko yere men komo se no die found
$8 million. That's their budget for transfer. And the budget for running the entire season. Their budget for running for transfers just to be able to bring in quality players into their team. Into a team, they went to the Senegalese league and bought the best player for $600,000. Heavy, they bought best left back. I don't see team provide the assist. And they brought in a very solid coach on the confederation, and this coach also had a list of top players from the African contingent and also brought them along. And you could see that the level in terms of their budget, their operating rate, and everything is extremely high. Until this opposition, Anna is very good because it helps you to really understand their team, to help the new coach also get to know the players better.
Tia no yan komane obomo de diere found the team no money omo kakobo no omo budget no yearly be $8 million na signings do ma ibi pa de be bomo na after no ye to aso san bisa na nsem kakra ensem no de bisa no ene so re sere niam esi ekọ ene de rerama kotoko squad ye ba be ejuma fi no open mu edem pa on.
So, in my personal opinion, I think we have the best squad in the Ghana Premier League, no doubt. And initially, there were a lot of arguments. People thought some of our players are not quality enough, and the other players from other teams that are better than our players. I believe so, but from the little experience I have, there are certain players of Asante Kotoko, and maybe we don't regard them that much. I take these players and put them in some of these clubs, the Ekofa players, and I trust me, say they are going to be the best players in those clubs. And I think we have several examples.
Atia no ya command e obomo de etimi e de etudwa epo amane ma da ye pretimi e ma no after no obomo de ana ye to aso bisa no so hwe sere niam esi ekwa da koja achi project e sha ase enye na mapim so asa na ade no bibie jan ni jan na honkomo no kra oben ade na achesa.
The project na funding side like Kenya is because funding because Kenya be reason and no one was handling in other areas. You are using it to also pay salaries and the rest. And just like we discussed recently, based on your financial projection here, and we are really looking up to breaking a lot of revenue from gate process. The gate process here mathematics, but how we hoping say if we are getting some level of gate process, everything mama the leverage to do a lot of other things. Check and there are pressing areas, maybe Jumbo Mash na still Kenya the one 50,000 na AJ project so na 2 players so I saw you almost surgery that week and the cost of the surgery 50,000. You obviously take the money and do the surgery for these boys and hold on say once you get in another revenue you pump it into the completion of the project. It's something, it's a legacy project for ourselves.
Atia no ya komodi etimi erefa na the Black Galaxy nyambo chine jina kono ye ne Nigeria man no ene de bo ani Ghana I was here ya na chane ko bitiano pay Blantia ne koko kotincho mapum kakra o joining on Sompa TV a unsampa no ne daso ani no hwe anope ya de e no moko ya Keku Sports Stadium no e wo so motincho mapum kakra no mo hwe so china no ne ma be dadie da wanya 90s ne e wi 3 pm Nigeria team na ba bi do mo so be ko akwa kutreni ahead of fortuna game no na aboa ama ne ma ko ye pera ahead of the game no coach Arno Walker na Orlando ni coach Arno Walker din command pe no Orlando ibiza coach Arno Walker ze ne yenim ze day one e sha se na Imoro and an agent or bar so left back. Na ne Moro ni Ghana wa joining Hilal Boboku na ezo mo baje chichirichi said the tini na ne Imoro kono obembe nyen Suzanzo wo so de.
Than victory echna. Do ulusu player bisa yadie but then obe enuntina every position no me work 2-3 players e wo. Nti Moro ni okosa wo and Kosa is playing equally good like Moro now. Until me ma Bibia and Hami too much. Say Moro ni until me Fambo Kosa will play and he will play for all of you to see.
Command coach no work abomode dia tudwa ati yesencho ni Orlando ena no pe ono ne gian na mu ho a ocha odi ja ne beba pa na wabomode ano work on no didi nkom after no e bizanze enya ne tie ze wato nkra afre Bright J a agenso aba be kantin no na on Bright J no komo se ne no so pimpa ni dia de fa
na our team no mudada and a Franti and coffee kosan here and Muatonwa was starting airborne matches Diana. I decided say no, let me bring him because to be part of the team and study and try to learn what we are doing so that in subsequent matches ahead of us, he will be part of it. Then he will be obehu ni ayeye nyina na onusu
atialu ya komade opiparo epomode dia for after no or the message be my Ghana for nyina na enkomo sei na coach anowoka epomode dia di twato
na mihia ni se Ghanaians na entire chi on pago obiambra no better chi on support kese and support here. Now at the end of the day the bema wo mani aji nti nyami bisa efi Ghanaians na insemini
coach that
atialu ya nkoma hanope ya Orlando yensencho ni ojana mu na chese Sompa TV Sompa FM nyambo ochna obebo mo de commentary na bana ni oni coach din come after say omo training no ko etimi ere penye na grass na wako ene captain edema omo awako nso na din komo ozin kakrakra ogirize team no niama dada na kwama omo pick up after so omo ramo Austria komo say no di edifan.
We are not doing bad compared to where we are coming from and where we've gotten to now. I think slowly by the team is picking up from Benin going to Austria to play Qatar. Compare the two games we've played so far. I think we are really getting to where the staff, the coaches are working towards and where they want us to get to.
Atiano ya command o kan etimiere fan o chese kakrakra coaches na yo mo adwo mo koba bibia edida bibi on peso mo kodu na kakra na edu on after no o kasafa Nigeria game o china ye ne on bebo no
game like this. We know they are coming very, very strongly because we've already taken them out from the World Cup, which this very game is not going to be easy for us at all. So as a player and the playing body, we've also spoken to ourselves and we know what we need to do. We need to take the rivalry thing out and just go in as just one of these normal games we play. Then I think when we do that, that's when we will have our game will come, then we can play our normal game to be able to take them out. We can't do it without the fans. Without them, I don't think we can achieve what is ahead of us. So we are pleading to the fans to come in their numbers on Sunday to come and cheer and also to give us that energy.
Tia lawyer zaba grass na wako ebomo de to dwabo amane makoye pa etimiere na mama me Raymond Asante ene ni unveil no na ye hwesere ne ma esietie na me say Bishop Shenkomo wi ase ene mi honorable so de ebewura kakra na ya hwe be all second division is honorable Alexander Abibiu so no eba ni players ton ne ade ade uzo mo players ni bi ne nam league ni mo ni ade ade Raymond Asante no akra we now we observe a crowd, Bosome Baku, no young apostles. I say Bosome Baku cream, no young apostles. And I know what room or Dinisi catch you. Go now, and my fan, and then a coy, and I told him go in 2 join an hour.
Coronation Park. Where
Coronation Park.
Where Coronation Park.
Now, I say go near go and waiting pa. These are go, you know. Hey, wow. Hey, wow. Hey. Wow. Now we broni bia hu ana ni be ko control no. Ni adwen no the ball no. Hey. Yo,
but the first Chelsea any Udinese preseason match no. Na Raymond bench. Udinese for a register no first team no. I won find a way no to. Enti yan region nim de mo amoye football ni nyina ye ka kire mo. Say kwan ho. So ye ni yie nkwa nyambe bie kwan. Ebefa. I'm so optimistic. Into more ye Alex Waha, Ogadel Sankomu, Doctor. Obia oye team bia origin ni mu bia no for akoma mu ye ne ye eye dan da could be nsoma be pie yeah no was agidie no nti mu ntonko so mo nye ne saa de me mpene se na nka de bia ye boy origin ni dia na mo de mo bo mo ho na de bia mo kum ho na RFA chairman sisi na asase sisi na ntokwa sisi ne we bo we dua na we ni we ya tibebre but this is a positive from the region. We nye say obo minim local blaster bi obo bi.
Oh, dabi.
Minim under 20 bi obo bi. Maka say na ket am family player anko national team nto bi ehunu. Me say. Na me say Godfred eh me rough. Me na ma say enko hwebo. Akoto boafo. Ye ko na RC Lons. Almost sporting director e Ghana already division 2 division 3. And that crowd ba mass no mo de no kwa RC Lons no.
About the Roma.
Well, I think for me, idea me then say one Ghana your football you deep and only on look sikasem ye major problem. One you careful la we cry ni uma school fees crowd but na o passionate Sompa sports. Nyana say obe scouting the right players. There are so many young talent. Obenya Butre are scouting the right players with the right ages, with the right sizes. No de to so na ye team no. And what I will encourage them to do is that we assess a lot of them should begin to make sure say omuye videos. A lot of them should have website. They should try and make sure say social media accounts so they be active. Manager so that we have some of this quality because Division 2 no onya opportunity say and to say Division 1 Premier FA better. What they say Division 1 crane try na the incident be break ICC last incident be break see I dey no much try cross say be hu na nini nechi. But I believe they have somebody Oman kakre be young guy be or you're determined to work. Now mo put you there. Utiana afro say player be way or wine any count. So I believe that opportunity will always be there. And the demand for quality talent all over the world are very, very high. Supply no the quality of players available no and nisro. So and then demand is by and then mo can Anthony Azam say 90 NG ebeko 100. Sebi Usha Antonia 40 ground. But because demand no higher than the supply, se nipa minuba player ba club minuba player ba ko bia unze ne bono ekosuru. So and it's a good time Division 2, Division 3 a good time to do football by Abutre and making sure you are getting the right players. Now make so benya coach on so be bon modi or training kolana kra. Some way somehow no matter what onyan kola or one coverage cran tem grab Premier Division club crack or kakra you get it right. It's a difficult thing. Sometimes one you be declare no the bear. Very difficult. Over me suspend a project because of football because in Colana so show every day nombedi almost transport almost just almost kits boots almost family problems and easy for anybody that's running Division 2 or Division 3 die. For Division 1 they call but this lower division a lot of talent Juma Dimpa and wow we are encouraging you to keep doing it for the purpose of opportunity like this and but this time around be because abrofono ahun say Ghana ha no yen kola no omu de omu ni ba yen kola no omu ya de and normal status only sporting directors omu free broadcast statiba it means that with time ebedu baby no Johanna be 50-100 sporting directors every abrochaba and why any club no be opportunity anya player na edinako yaw now di yes ka say busion boy nyina no ure be fi the top player $50,000 grab ure be fi $100,000 ure be fi and say baby dollar away say trousers sa ure be fi so there's also honorable $100,000 a ton na una 1 million to over 1 million Ghana cedis. What do you say? Ahia o say bi de ba say na o say. What do you say? Enti sa na tie. On say we are see the obobra. O so see that. Are you so in pain but you reaping joy? Yeah. Enti sa na tie. Enti omon to aso no monye edin there. Because I've been there before and they understand what it is. And easy. But omon to aso the opportunities are now better than it used to be. Because you see, I know talents and send any hobby brisao. And to you know, the no bab kakrabia, a baba fast see and to almost twice when I'm teaching colano. Almost pep partnership. Sometimes it be a penny be or community no. Bibi one kakra one say, but until as a football no for some, and Tiana sometimes almost try to get close on the local business people. Now a partnership kakra. So Obenya will be a better Yama players. Obenya will be a better Yama players. Obenya will be a better supportive kids. And no cry take a huge burden. Everyone see Basana na one hand kakra. No attention kolani. Mamunya no zo min kwa sa pese min kuminya subano min am president of the club. And yet near here say club no etumpon who developing kola players no obenya the right nutrition at least at the level of nutrition. Obenya players no benya good frame of mind abobo no. Sene beya say that bibi ba 70% cry with 30% a friend say nipa no discussion. You begin say your opinion sa woman. I'm telling you that ebedu maybe no. A lot of business people were gonna name them for so what player investing in the club or investing at the lower division no. And the lower division zone says can be. And this division 1 I feel maybe we are now over 1 million Ghana cedis. No car would deep fuel car with the krane duane kakra easy. But at this level expenditure no fem kakra you can manage it and kola own to your salary at this division 2 just say a few exceptional ones be like the FA said and on your sign contract that you pay them a salary and okay just few over 4 or 5 or wouldn't him say we mu de can acha fimi no over me atomo omo de over me your sign contract personal contract bet you kakra busumi but majority of them you don't do that to them until your fem kakra you can manage but a triswa no apo bi no aboa e ade a yentimi nya wa but football level na du ba bia wan hwe ya one ontimi to football no so be hwe nkola no biom because wapen e ba sika sema e ba sansa no ha nkola na wo so sika na wo de ahye ma bi after 5 years 7 years na nyamba bi kwan sika no so ahye emba biom e kwa ya na obai ento nyo bi bo mo be so there's a lot of business there. I'm very business opportunities or Division 2, any Division 3. No?
I'm here. The Black Galas games in America.
Them is a more called now. What I say, I mean, the coaches are can see. Wow, especially Kotoko fans, no. Wow, internet ben will be on Google Kelechi Osunwa, and a Stephen Wargu no Nyimba, and a Kelechi Dolphins in the 2007-2009 era. Al Hilal and Al Merrick were players equal Sudan. Then better me catch David and say the disparity between Ghana and Sudan in CCC. What is Sudan? What do you say? Kuru Biantokwa almost kapa. Egypt same. And that me who Cairo population. And the man who say look, Kotoko and has are fighting a lost battle when it comes to economics. Now, young Kasa need to can send a bit to the Akura Stadium. Egypt so mutua 200 Egyptian pounds, 80 Egyptian pounds at the Koheboa and how by high case to 100 cities very Kotoko popular standard obekasa yeni omuntem sikasem insida nemum Kotoko pe omumpeo. I'm reminding David teams ne boss are born no Sudan then the pedigree was required Kotoko
almost the
gap between Kotoko and Simba gap between Kotoko and Al-Hilal no matter the money they have, musika. You should understand that. Sudan Sukan, and you know, but Ahla Korea na Kotoko share Kruma and Sylvester and the qualifier Euro Confederations Cup final. No matter musika, Kotoko will be as uncle for only and they would never have, which is pedigree. Ahla will scar Yedian. Kotoko should let their pedigree work for them. If they do, it will take them places.
Mate. Me da se pa Mate Monday apostle memory mama me
there be me no Monday me refi 31st August Kotoko birthday I'll do it on 31st.
Oh okay Mate
the day we celebrate Kotoko
Mate
that same day
Mate Arabana bibia sheye de
abu nyankopo na mompa wo bia sheye kama pa
now once again congratulations Wabomodian for the first time district in Amonya Division 1 near Queer. Yati DBB United don't come on Senate City shall say away and yes saying on Munya or progression or Sena near Mexico. Yes, shall say Vivio.
Oh, okay. Abu Meda Sepa Nidika no Mecha or Chief for near Shafunyana. na match my wife nso Grace Bedo sabre me sure say or hwe me summary so ono no so na you be a support me me nyoma me ye nyina so ekoso kama enachi nso match me general manager eye Abu ene me secretary nso na tie to for na me CEO ntu jan ene coach Lion ene team management ne nyina apostle no nyina ne ade na Abu going forward and I think say the baby United to the be abinum bisa ba be the baby kurashe the baby our time this on the Sompa Wenchu road in the middle of Sompa Wenchu road or ena the baby ewo na the baby United no you started team no as Nafana FC Nafana FC ukoye area ho nipa e free area ho na from Nafana internet din no Nafana FC in somewhere 2012 and started team no nti wo hwa team na nkasa de obi na start ye na me ba mu nti nipa no start ye na akire na oja bibia mu de maame me ba ya me ne omo esan ehase nti somewhere 2013 na ye boy ye first division 2 match na started 2013 yet me qualify for Middle League no nti 2014 no na ye ko boy first Middle League match e wusunyane eno ye ko ye no I think say ye win one match but draw back lose back but we couldn't progress to the next stage until yes I come back SI could be ekoto ye nyuma no so and the following year so yes I boy to me qualify to Middle League again and also ye ko the same results that to me achieve ye and assign by now right from there no now you go to the following season ye to me unqualified but hono so na me ma free the baby hwa mako baby fofra me ye adwuma. And at a point in time, no, na me mpanyim for omoboa me. Wo hwa omo no omoboa me ye team na me team secretary na tie to Isaac na Abu. Enti wo hwa ayonkofo na ye team no enti wo hu ya mrante nko na ye team no. Ene ye supporters chairman lesson ti. Enti right from there no at a point no etimi eduru baabi no na ayese niam mo eden kakra ede mayen. Niema mo eden kakra de mayen because na your team secretary so atukwan abakuma say ono kira de oketi asisi amena okasai enti na aka ye general manager no nko a na wo enti at a point me ka kira mze mfa ba bia football na duru no ye push resources kum but ye nya resources bia enti football no de me pese me kwete football no because as a team organization na enkoye but some passports the secretary ne Abu e ka kira me say o se chairman ye be into somewhere last year and I'm from na me can say me pese me no mu nyina ye meeting into ye meeting no and I tell us said baby a team na duru no me pese it me qualify team no eba division 1
oh okay
into niama e be hia no ye nyina ye nwene ho into ho na ba say if that be the case I am pese you on team no nsa nsa into me to man ye na pese you on two jan I no say sports media person
any Antoja
yes
Antoja or Domas ya
ama mena na kasa ma woje tu mu nti me kan kire ne say ade a ye pese ye achieve ni nti ye pese ye di team no hye nsa nti ono anka trans me mani 2 weeks niema obe hia say team no ebe ye no onfa mana just for this and no sign firm such am my ready my church my jot me niema nyina wie no oba na me ne trans no say ade ebe hia e coach nti woni coaches no bia didi nkomo nti onya coach ano kita lance C as at then last year and one na kasa ye na obaye ye ne di nkomo bibia ko yie nti coach no so kan suggest o my scout epe players nti as at that time no na ye nyam boy season no enwie
okay
nti coach no ba behwe ye matches 2 oba no so na na say utim ya enye bad sa na me say yeah it's not bad but organization no enkoye this we have to organize the whole team and was okay nti nyame ncha de ye bo wie no ye qualify for Middle League no ba me kan tell me say look Middle League no me mayenko omo mayen hihye team no nti supporters no bia ntia say makoto me sort man soccer for near the whole lot
that was last
season yes
okay
last season makoto me slot na man soccer for na say look in soccer teams na
akimuhwe no omo maye omo videos a project ne de beba so but omo maye the baby United omo bobo no ne omo call in the game a niema na omo ye no ti afi no join on Sompa TV Sompa 93.1 channel so say zone 1 division 1 team a wenya qualification na emeze za azon no ne nyire baby so honorable won sempa omo team bobo no ma hote no ma kwatwe amanso na amanso ne ye di amabi adenche na adane no ma san hote etimi bom na team ni team ba wo say team simiensa ba be hia na ebo eti be di ni nyina nkomo na tu join na ahwe a honorable Nana Alexander Abibio president edema DBB United and na ye yewrama ye ne omo ye adwuma na emezo omo so ye one team atera na apostle kan no omo handles no be ni Facebook Twitter ne dia aka ni na ye active pa na omo match bia no ya no omo de court honorable to ankomo no so
yeah into from there no ya qualify me kan so omo me nhye team no into later on many players no koyi meet and some omo ti ase into time na omo bo middle league ni nyina na coach no so aba onisi you no ma omo hwe players no into middle league na ende na no moto omo safre players bia ye no omo ye training for 3 days and ya pick bi no into ya pick omo wi na am kan show say right now no omo ma start your pre-seasonntem te me kan show say bia players no beda any nyom bedi bia and everything is set. Into your camp, your players in about 34 players. Ewo fako. Hono mudidi anopa awia any enyumere
34 players.
34 players.
Wow.
Yeah. Some from Kumasi, been from Accra, Winneba, Sunyani, Ijra, Techimai. Yeah, they are into pick more from different players. Into your high will be so by your Modiane, Nibia, Ewo Hokama. And now Modi mono is not say a beer Bianibia keke. Na ya woness ni bi ho atin se wono follow as goal to kakra.
Oh, okay.
About players didi omo no so no na otime aboa yen edu se yakobo match bi a ye hwe de match na otime kan se omudi aduane we ya e na beboa
too far dietitian de ne ma team na no hwe check aduane on be dine.
Yeah. Enti ni nyina enti yakobo match bi a na aduane ya set in players no edi enti sa na ma ni nyina eboa yen. Enti ya say league na se this season no your matches are boy apart from your last match no and you lose 2-1 team be no way to me say
that from my day one no
team be no way to me say your last match no na you lose 2-1 na ka be 5 matches na you qualify for the league already.
Oh, okay.
Into all because of hard work coaches na and the supporters na ukwa zone hwa upeti ma we supporters by DBB United ko home wa your supporters need to me doors chen wa ubo home no. Yes. That is the baby for you. Because one kasa etimi organize omo ho no ya de bebre nyama bebre e de support team no. Na last season ye no ye wie first round na supporters chairman no ba was chairman. Supporters no person me fundraising e de board team no. And I'm can say me so. Ono ye ta friend Batman and I'm say Batman. For now no de muma ye nyai. No say chairman da be ye be ye. I was there one Sunday no my friend me say the following week no more ye fundraising. Eko ye omo ye fundraising no na ye be 3 years wo ntina ne amamu aye pasaka but they were able to raise over 20,000 to me feel no mobile say
20,000.
Yeah. Yes.
That's all the 200 million.
Yeah, over 200 million. Yeah.
Supporters no.
Supporters
for the baby United.
For the baby
United.
United.
That way
serious man.
Nkomo na metie ni nyina nkomo o. Ashoki me or na 200 million.
Yeah. Yeah, nti me wa nwume no mo ba ese chairman. Ye wie bibia no this is amount I but we na obotim ni na ho ka nti sika ni. Enti o mo dis ka no ma me no so ye tim no ye wa account ho. Enti me dis ka no ko to account ma sat na wa e wa account no ma ye mfa 1 cedi kura emfi.
Sika no monte so kura.
David.
No abo me pa cho boa me kakra o di baby no ampatam wona nkasa no o check ni pa no dodo na ye e be ya hin bi wa say revelations na de ba na e shock here.
Ma omo abontin so do we kan ho
no omo this fund was generated internally. Omo outside the bia sika enkan. Just omo krum ho nkwa na ye. The supporters no internally. Why no mo ye. As at now no o share your voting population a little bit over 4,000. Your voting population. For now. Into what I met me, I can say in totality, no, you bear, me 8,000 there. Your population. But your supporters, no, send American, I can say, send like Omodo team, no. Omafa team, no, said that is their own. Omuni Bibia just said the baby United, no. Into your cover beer, the way Omo organizer Omo any supporter Omo de colony at the other area, how ama ubia in him the baby supporters, no. It is a come match this time your match is near to game centers.
Oh, okay.
It is said the baby boy no pa you see a park no I am said the baby boy I'm telling you the park will be empty.
Oh, okay.
Nti na just said the baby supporters no edi team na chipa. Nti they did very well to raise that fund for us na. I think say no OCC a twen yen. Ene akire nso ne adofo bi no de boaboa ye ne nyina wa account no mu asamre e wo ho ha twen ye say ye start ye division 1 na ye de eno so awuram dia support team no.
Yambra we no so kakra na ehwe. Right from the start mo sha se maba be ram the middle league na. Mo ye adwuma. Na middle league na the start said na MSC call said musi sha se NSM mo fine and qualify no na mu din no net say.
Yeah, I think say one thing is your social media handler Matthias. He has been doing very well. Inti ama because of that no ukoba bia I can say that bona half corner bia was supporters wo. And I teams no operations na I think say ye CEO no so ade say ba say kwakobo match wo ba bi na ye nko ho da ye nko bobo wo ha da e di kan ekọ ho ekọ environment no say na we connect with people who are into football no match kwanya yem faso ne ade nti I think say no so eboa yen. And beside that no say you say e bi o mayi match bi di akọ we try every means say ye bebo match wo park no so.
Oh, okay.
Yes, na ye send your hot here. Into your middle league, no, you start what Techimai. Your first match, you win 2-1. Second match, you draw 2-2. Into a numero, my friend boys, and I say, look, say your next match, you winning your board draw cry film. Into Techimai, Hona Mete, you fear an impact, be all no more training the next day. Training on Miankasa. Mekoshe me boot, Echo Park, and also my menu when training. Nti training na boys na kai was chairman your next match and see the tikura e be
yeah,
and God being so good your next match na any wenchima so win or no so qualify but boys na ya de e ma ye share o 3-1.
Oh, okay.
Nti no na ma itimi penetrate through to the middle league proper. Into middle league proper no your first match ye ni yeji miss almost a well organized team omo ye share o 3-0. The second match na ye Jamra Soccer Professionals. Jamra Soccer Professionals so Sompa chemu ho. Omo wo yechi. Nti omo say 3-1. Nti na qualify for final. The final no na ye ni Techima Liberty ene behia for final. Techima team no so e wo Techima hwa. Nti na before league no ye nyina ye meeting e wo regional level say team a e be qualify no na nke ye ko bo proper middle league no wodoma. No, we more renovation to ama so you can say team will be qualify. Say do my team can ho afana na ye mon ho. Nti aba say Techman team can ho no na enze say ebo no Techman and ye de call barracks. The barracks ho no so nyamencha de ye call na ye no mo de call share so ana aja ye captain. Ono say o tire SSE. Na nyamencha de
Alan says you 15 years.
15 years, yeah. Yeah, young guy.
Over 15 months December.
Yeah, na ne go be a wo share ye e wo Techima no is far better than Edison. Raymond, yes, I'm telling you. Classic go be ba
o se mo ya na minya. I take the
me send videos no there. The guy is very good. Very good. Ofrikrom ho na mama ne papa nyina afiri ho. Oh. Enti na obetran kuma se ha kakra. Na tama ye ba justify na ye no o se chairman. O se madam fu bi wo kuma se we very good defender. And I'm saying my Sunday can no mara. That Sunday boy ni kai ska no buy. Nti oba na justify things aka one day na ye wie. The guy came, he was very solid. As I now me no work as a premier teams by 4 and a pre guy no defender no. But I told him say, "Monsieur look, Arafat, me my uncle bebia. Ubebody be United for now." Because of Niama Yapese Yintino, Yamanenko. And boy no so atimase. I hope Massa is here and I know because I think say a Monday or Bessan by the baby, now or Mabe Campo.
Now, when he say no so here, a new Casa Yamuza all can't be and a can faso a guys and all Gadon 34 players there. I was all Roman and Yada Keto. That's come on in funny feedback. No zone comfort beside your mobile, I don't know, be more sponsor, Nina Oka. Seni city we Ghana crowd I teach ya okay ye premier teams no e bi mu ni bi ti boys na we abekona bi mu di gobe
yeah
even national no that's true none of them your national team they all back and to actually your national teams and your national teams thing na say Costa Rica and that is no Black Star back I mean even your national team cry you need dietitian for all the other national team and national team A there now they team clubs on there. Now why never got that? It has what dietitian one. They don't have it. Almost name the value and the significance of even having a dietitian.
Ramu diare no skani no be man kakra obema CEO kakra be kwa boys no at least the if you in a bedroom sir.
Yeah, I think so with your team no make an asset now you try coach ka you try CEO ka you try assistant coaches na there you know much etio munyina ka na ni nyina efiri me botom. Because as at now, as I can say, was sponsorship. We don't have any sponsorship. But you do be a secretary or support. You general manager, we saw or also support. And to which I mean, you mammy and kakran on Niger. Yeah, the airboat team no bra. I think say me and me this a businessman kakra.
Ela wa the boat team no bra.
Me businessman me say politics kakra but politics no dey be bien free my audio normally I do spend but my cancer be a politics be no be bien free but I think I started doing business somewhere 2010 I think say me ya kashu adwuma makunyina meton business na maja makuno ye near distance na and I'm into the commodities market. Yeah, and then I may ask that now, but for now, no, me adwuma with Fuji Oil Ghana Limited or Techma as procurement officer.
Okay.
And kakra enya no na ya pushi edurati no na sana office the kaka edu bia wife bet me besides I say kwa na wo pa anti ka wo ball wo team yi mu ne ade I did have na me ko ekromo na me mama wo be unsa boys ni di machi sa alas na be ya wa ko form wo do mo ye den and I'm say man na mra beso ni nyina e yo ball no nti I think say for now no there we don't have any sponsorship ya na ye there by going forward 19 say me mpanyimfo bi akasa and they are willing to give us some sponsorship nti hopefully by next week biana we'll present our proposals to them. Na yahwe mo or more at the body baby United.
Na yewra mu say yenimza last season na one and I see where ma Tano Bofakwa.
Yeah.
And now we are president ma DBB United. Na me no kambo ma adwuma na edin o hwe na o hwe.
Abu adwuma na dey nya better edin pa because last year somewhere Bofakwa last 2 seasons are not a card then I qualify. I think say na ebinum shachiri. But me no yeah media no yeah I don't want to be engaging too much with the media no enti na me sha chire pa serious la na ye work we say bofo betimi aba enti bofo ntimi ama no na the following season no board no ye pa omo no na ese enye obi obeye CEO enti omo de toma we no media promo we no we the excuses me a lot of ono so the buy no na ofia very tangible enti na there was no option say meje ede aja abomebo enti me guso a me ye adwuma no na sat na wa me so me team a qualify aba no na ebe ma nema mo ye difficult kakra but as at now Bofakwa enya dey am resign from Bofakwa because we have a target no say within that 3 years na say team no e call Ghana Premier League no enti no na target a ye work to Wilson na Bofakwa team no wo hwe eno structure na is a little bit different from the Baby United no because the Baby United no many supporters no kwa na ye there but Bofakwa there no as your board wo ho a ye contribution at the support team no project enti no ye no enye order enye me nkwa me botom sika but the Baby there no na wo hwe na nyina there e free bottle bakum enti ye guso a ye Bofakwa na this season my management transfer a lot of nearby be a cancer say one players na say a pay fee ma o monte ya han if you kese e de amabo for players na nyina ho na o nyina gusisi ya enante me say mpo obi obaye aduane eno o de ho budget na ade ba ya nyame pa Monday ya be pay ska de amomo then they start those things equipment e say the training nyina ya to new ones e de amawo enachi the players no me catch them say yeah sign players are they should make sure as a player e ko sign no we don't have the same player in the team.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Entinya fair player bi wo hwa e bia obetimi abokama na ye ko fa the same player dey aba hwa be boy ka no. Player wo ba no should be able to command first start.
Oh, okay.
Enti zama me ba na be who player bi wo ho na say football me hwe player minim say we good. Me ba na the same average player no bi no akwa fa ba hwa nipa na ode no ba no me no ye nka na yi. Because e ba say how both team no ka. And I think say recruitment na ya recruitment by 6 players. I think say omo very good on betimi aboa ya agenda no and then next so your coach and so I new coach and so they are also started training. If we say now 11 wonders, also I started training. Until right now, no before near say and say next 2 weeks. You have a question players no. Now they start players a quarter of years at this time will be able to marry. Waba. As I say motivate you to motivate them no. I say the country September salary no do September end the year dream. But I say the country or salaries no be at the moment now or more high before going into the game no. And I think that this is what we are going to do in the next 2 weeks no for Bofakwa. My target in United States Bofakwa team no this year they able to me qualify to the Premiership. But the baby no we just want to sustain in the Division 1 this season and then the following season on the
na concern ba kwa nkofo raise pie time no time amunya no de ne ba e ba be Ramo Division 1 no manya key players bi amode DBB mo de omo ba be ejuma rather mo ba ya kakra bi na transfer window no na cruci.
Yeah, I think thanks to my management they were very active because my country almost say omo yenye preparation in see enti time ya qualify na almost 1 week extension Emma Division 1 Premier. I told them that this is a blessing to us. My country say by Saturday I able close window no Monday no we should finish our registration. And God being so good say Edru that Saturday no my team secretary was in Sunyane with the IT guys be omo ho 8 million registration and yepe. Into my country say this time I have Division 1 we should get 3 experienced defenders, 3 experienced midfielders and then 2 experienced strikers. Now you do my team no. And yet me yes and I think say we were able to get 7 out of number 9 na yepe.
Oh, okay.
It me register or more no na binuma tasty Premiership.
Sompa Sports.
It means players be 2 for 11 wonders be from Insuatremain, Bafa Soccer Academy, Kwabi Brim FC. As I say, I me ayo BR registration awie. Sika SSC teams no yetu team no tuama teams no nyina no. Yetua bibia awie ye payment nyina ye 100% ye need team biaka. As at now your players no nyina no yetimi register players ye pay nyina awie.
Na ye hwa ni say so on the na all kind you say one thing I be boa pa na say mo betimi abom mo match no ofie.
Yeah.
On say na mo ye project bi so mo the project ne beto so a.
Yeah.
Na no ye fro na wo kan hon koma na kusisen wanyampinfo bi amanyofo na wo mantemo na omo boa ama project na course club licenses for boy minim say oni omo miti omo nkomodim no muti sen ye be bobo no because support na mo no se ye bonu ofie me say be boa mo pa.
Yeah. I think as at now no we share a project and last year I started say ye Division 1 no. Project no so you starting last year na because me can champion for no say you be qualify na be kwa boy home match no be there then we should stop because your person need no be na economic activities no so it me cost so e wo ye ho nti you started project no last year but looking at baby yet me aye project na ba be dru no there we are almost through last 2 weeks me invite mpanyin for no ba ko e ma ne ba ho oba no obehwe ye project no baby a project na aduru ekire ye niama ye essential say ye need me Division 1 no ho nyame ncha de just enura na panyin ba ko ba ya ye park no markings ne ade nyina utime be ye ne nyina wie ya ye see push na wie entu ho structure bia na ho na ye dressing room ayesi new one ayesi I didn't say no me call Sunyane Coronation Park on person my dressing room bi wo ho no person me see new one tie no plan na me ko hwe ya me de be see we ti panyin no ba ya obehwe no bi sam say how did I get to know all these things? And I'm so because we are idea no free Sunyane. And I'm there about be idea until wo kwa ye dressing room, away team, home team, bia e toilet mienu, wash bathrooms mienu. And ye referees room so e ho, a referee's office and also match commissioner there ho ansa your extra office ba kon so ho bia so wura ma ye toilet and bath e wo bia mu e wo ho. Until all these things no yeah, starting just last year somewhere September into it's almost 1 year but I can promise you say a nyame pa in 2 weeks time everything will be done. Yes, because dressing room no materials I had the plaster and wire and everything plumbing material everything is there. Ya turning in kugu. It is just from one stage to the other. It is a carpenter for no free so then plumbers and say almost so my we almost be as I say plaster into I hope so by Monday plaster and also ever started by Abu from there and also we also talk about say a beer your park no your supporters on Baba Park Say park no too open sana na waka chom so mu ntwe sika. Yeah, horse supporters no mo te yase. E to da bi na above friendly matches obi timi ba say chama me kwaje jisika. And I'm so just leave it wasn't known. Oh ho no for politan na de nam ne ubenya bia. Yeah, above friendly matches at least it means 600 700 e wia e de ama boys na ne ade. Enti yahwese no if that be the case there obi chair cement you know you qualify or chair cement $300 say anka yam fan start ono nanka ya pese sifie bi for the team no but yahwe no na pese yesi clubhouse but yahwe no ye the sister we no wall no na manfo ramu chiesika ebeboa ye into hwa ya say ebo blocks or enura binom so dedicate omo atu foundation nyina edefa park no ho nipa by 37 or so omo coordinate no omo ko wie adwuma na mason for so start omo ele foundation no omo ye beto wall afa ho nti I can say within 2 weeks no oba ho e be different thing altogether.
Now project isha see last time na ye kasa na one thing na ye bisa pa na ye eno na me bisa etwa to na makwa o ma no so na ma farmer frefo we adwuma na mo ye no me a shock me amayonfo ni bia bam so wo amanyo ye nim ze wo ya amanyo ni ebi ma bam o ma ye o ma dwen so meboa di wo ampi no eno DC no o ma boa wo
abu se obi betime de nsa asi no bo aka se bia project yi cause my top pure water me yamanyuni my top pure water come di baby united obi eni ho project na ya me botum sika na me ye as at now I can tell you say me more kakura no more than 580,000 there is gone on this project. It's not a small project. It's easy nti wo hwa me ana ye ya de nkakran but etoda bia ye mesim for na ye use omo no etoda bia omo te asesa de ye no is for the community. Enti bia say normal charges na is so charge no say so 200 or be kan say chairman wo de ma me 50 bi na menye because they also see say adena me no is for the community. And I think that's what we are trying to do now. Until for now, not there. So I can say was support to be every baby and now manufacture aba. I don't think say bibia na ye push ya den.
Mati honorable, me da sepana ye sure bo. Say o first match abe bone ano. Ye beba. Ye ba na ya baba be hwe. Ye beba. Ma me kwa ma no so na me fa frɛ for no 0551931931 0551931931 0548931931 0548931931 no so no be join here na me say project there omo ye bi wa ba so.
Now because MP no on our member no okoha na say o kankran
about the baby but on the baby for with him passport na about the baby for with him pacho why baba jo udiani baby a okazafi
that for some DK the gazafi krono
DK ni tio
papa fafi atoso about yana wa ajino sanity na mame ka jo panyin say enyere no ho na de wo ye ni nyina no ebeso ba tim no ebi no community ni di no me ntini ye ntin so for cheme na men kan kire area of for say omunyo mo support na tim no engine mbra isa the team e wo ebi ga e de dima so ba tim no bo match a o ba to ade obi to we o to ni nyina so ma development ban tem o to munyina machi na odwuma no enkoso na papa also the best revenue for so mo to mo ho and a fair for the anodin and then omunye na bi before for ensi e bi kire ko
as a honorable does bo team ni di na che no
Dina the baby United.
The baby United.
Yes. Now should spellings na. And on the money pronunciation as a
baby no.
Yes. But Dina can say the baby
United.
The baby. Yes.
United. Okay. Baba Jo Diani baby how Kasafi.
You fantastic guy. I'm doing it in Tampa.
Chama Mitio.
But Tonino and I'm going consistent. I do not know. I do not. Almost by the foundation. Oye no munye pa le bo ebro go munye sa o metwa bo mo ta ko ni
se men so me da se me pa cho di ani baby akasafi hello abe se onye ready mami ramu me pa cho di ani baby akasafi
hello
yes sir
yabi
yes sir
me mamu na adma
me jozo
me di anes of one obetima family me ne fa ba ko fe me do advance na Yabi, I bet I got a fancy. And Mamma man said, PTC, yeah. Yeah, some of you to someone yet to me, and I'm with that PTC in terminal. Which I'm now at someone with a PTC in down to Bati, down to Bati, yeah. Yet the job is an channel.
Sompa Sports. Hello. Yeah, Udiani baby Akasafi.
Hello.
Yes, Udiani baby Akasafi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Senior, I'm me team come on America sports I see analysis sports on the manageable. Now, Openina or Casano, many a Juma because I'm saying my bobo Nidia, and Eddie Nipena, and your person non penny said, Fair Kuna or more from Bobo on the support of for the first division matches. Only a multi pa no omo makuma embra from our bra on best African matches home. Omo makuma embra from some makuma back from Emma referees and near referees I think say or can say omo ready for premier but they are ready for premier for next year. No. The pastor said we not change sign the say or you're ready because anything can happen at any time.
Only the anya bibi no ye bofo akwa no double asiwe the matter no bofo akwa.
Yes. Okay, any me that say but send the wasi akasa many age me friend we begin supporters ni there only omo kasa na voice no so omo mumura I think say because born ya be pay
Mate me so me that say pa me ba jo di ani baby a okasa fi
na pa jo me de don
baba cho meet you. Oh, Dabi. Baba cho di ani baby a okasa fi. Yeah, hello. Yes, I'll di ani baby a okasa fi.
Hello.
Me to nka dum radio no na TV no ma volume ne nkofo na team wa why. Ya bese o fra na walu TV volume na watie wa. Why na abo na nyina bia mo atone ya yedwuma na yeko. Odi ani baby a okasa fi. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, now so.
Yeah, I'm pardon. What about what is now Robert? I'm going to see coaching class. Let me try to take to me. There's a bit my also maybe another okay. Also more the papa now. You're born person, I'm a person, and I'm going to be on your better than my man. I'm going to go to watch your monta.
Oh, what your monka? That name your monsem crabba. Why? Amateur monka. Robert, that's why. Remember, Joe Jelly baby a Kazafi.
Okay, so maybe I have the question because I'm free in soccer.
I meet you.
Okay. Where I'm body and I'm testing the man and Alexander Babu. You're trying to realize what player or any kind of in general. That is why I did. That kind is our own tongue course of non-renal. Yes, I am the problem. And never can know or time double as or him out. I am running here into minister about mobilization of the youth. At an Akuma, so the vampire thing I'm in so every man, not him in as well. Man,
Martin Someda, some patrol, Jenny baby, our Casafi. Hello. Dabi, me here na me fa we a chat or patrol on a chat or Jenny baby, our Casafi. Babacho meet you.
Support, yeah.
Mate, meda sepa, Kabu Simenfa with but John, I chat to the baby.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Baby.
Meet you.
Mebacho, manager, Dana Senior, Najuma Power, Yamisha, and Patrick from your bed. Manager, my papa with the baby. And just no constant or you tonight, and yet you may know. Wama Udia, you might.
Mate. Honorable.
Yes, sir.
You're calling the chat to an Emizo Chrome for no Omweniaji. and I'm here proud pa said no we winner said the name sisi kono and he also cried that was a pa ne ye tonsa frɛ onya da je baba be ram ni adeti ye call me nim de odi be twa to de ama ntem where the adwuma no de nye ball no nko ade oye no me anso kra me ni meka no kra oye ni papa and the oye ni nyame nkoso no nhyaw ati ye call.
Yeah, Abu Nedikano, Meda, the baby for no asepa, and no more time, any empatemu in an afana, and a Sompa, Oka, or baby or for Matanga Parliament, Mendomas, and a support to Madame Maya. And there be a mechanic baby for no say, do baby Kuran, as a summer last resources, no, may the year be at the bois, mayor at the abois. Sabi Uka and your sports on Kran, and I made the bois any or more cano. Oka and a Methodist school back home. Masha sia me sia ya boss wire plaster and ya wiring we kra.
I mean sure.
Made the Emma or more because it's almost 90% completed. I think say ye ni nyina e dey abo community no because there be a can say ye ho kwa ye ni MP we couldn't be free order. This in free order nti ya ne ya ti kakra bia e benya no na ho na menyini ye ho na me ko school wie me Jesus 90 if I get anything na say me sign come back to my root no na me bo mo nti I think say that's what I'm doing right currently tin the American chiro mo nyan so mo nkoso and support me na me mo nsa ensi form da kakra bia menya ba bia say me wurawura na menya moa e de ba bia no me wura mo na me de aba na me chia obi bia ofri di bibi time ba bia every community bia o mo hwe me bia no me chia obi bia na afen so and say about my wife about to be say because she has been very supportive. Now ono ana or your sports person no your goalkeeper Sunyane secondary school guest team no our representative Bona Hafo da aje best goalkeeper of Ghana da but I say school same thing am waro tie te me do bibia se na fe madam asenso e wo akwanya mode me I think that last year last 2 weeks kura mo interview mo na wo hwe course e ba ye ne ade obi from na na mo team no wo he ne ade I think say ni nyina akwanya mode ma yen nti ne kan say ye damasepa na mo nkoso anso na mo nsusu yi mo sa yemfisusa afi na ye nyinu ba na I hope say muso yi mu a yemfinu betimi enye na ababe so o my Ghana nyina so me chia bofo kwa supporters nyina me kan chom say bofo beba no is on course supporter bia wo bofo kwa ye registration no ko platform no so na ko your registration no na MPBB emfa mo bofo kwa team no na Sunyane for premier no afi emra ebeba e bofo e na de beba madam asenya me nshira obi bia
ati ono your honorable Alexander Nana Abibio na say nere komode aboyi bi pa dwedwe ne mani so ache na football no e omo ye na bi mu so a omode omo kese ni hwira nkofo okrudium a ti yera na se na ye dia di bebi ye beba na ya ba be project no sere ne mesiko ti yero premium bo ajore be shara mo chna 230 Ricardo Vaz betrase na Orlando ne ye nsan joni a wesi na mu Cape Coast na ebia niam kra nye yi a o jam de bebe me de aye ya di yakọ weekend obi ara ne hu ye na obi ara so nye ne tete na nyam bo a jora ye sensia na ye bomo